our vehicle is ready. Yes, the channel people in general do not see this car. This is like my little low-key project. And now our rims are money. Alright guys, what is up? Your guy Frank Visionary, man. Visionary foreign and exotics when stock is not an option, man. Brought out the big body S-Class today. Reason being, something wrong with my rims, man. Ever since I got these rims, Rotiform, they're beautiful, but my guy tells me they're out of round. You can kind of see it. I don't know, for those of you can see it, man. Right here on this top little thing. There's 2 spots on this. Long story short, it rides like fish. So my guy out here, wheel repair specialist, Dr. Rim Repair, out in Riverside, gonna take a look for us, see if he can get us on point. She looks on point, but she ain't driving on point. Real talk. At least I'm honest. At least I'm honest, guys. But come on, man. Custom set, 6-month wait. You get them, you mount them, and then your car rides like doo-doo. Come on, man. But we also have a pretty dope car here. Give her a shout out. Female driver, Reimagine Wraps. Baddest Dibs Only, Booby Bouncer, Heather Dot, Elaine X. No fat dudes, car will scrape. No fat dudes, car will scrape. Shout out to our girl, man. That's a pretty dope car, Heather. We spread love out here at VFE, man. Visionary Foreign and Exotics. Hope you guys enjoy. I will keep you guys up to date on what's going on with our big body S-Class, man. Is our wheel repair specialist, is Dr. Rim Repair gonna be able to handle it? Is he gonna get us all locked in and taken care of? I think so. Alright guys, what up? We're back. Brought out the TRX. The wife was kind enough to come with me, drop me off, and our vehicle is ready. Rex doesn't get enough love either. We'll do something soon. We're gonna take her to the desert. We're gonna have some fun. Yeah. It's on point. Back in action, guys. I'm gonna bring her to a meet soon. It's next week. I'll bring her to a couple, honestly. It's time. It's time she gets some love on the channel.
These are the tires for this type of car. You gotta go a little higher.
Beefier?
Yeah.
Raise it up a little bit.
It's a heavy car.
I'm low, bro. Yeah, I dumped it. I dumped it pretty good, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. I'll take her for a spin. All right, guys. So she has, just for sake of knowing, she has Toyo 255 30 ZR21s, Proxys T1Rs in the front. That is a 21 by 10.5 inch rim, 3-piece. Rotiform, Toyo T1R. There you go, 295, 25 ZR21. So they're rubber bands, to be quite honest. These are rubber bands, man. But we're gonna go ahead and take her for a spin and see what we get. Oh my gosh, already, guys. Already night and day. Night and day. Oh my goodness. Smooth. She rides like an S-Class again. Woo! Thank you. So next step is, guys, we are going to change the tire profile. We're gonna change the tire profile a little bit, and we're gonna just raise it up a hair probably, but she rides super good, so I'm happy with it. Oh man, I want one of those. Oh man, I want one of those. We're gonna get one.